So my first tip is definitely, I don't use eyelash glue. I think that's based on just how you feel, but I actually use hair glue. You can get this at any Sally's or any beauty supply store for $1. So the reason why I use hair glue is because, one, with eyelash glue, I don't know when it's ready for me to put it on there. Sometimes I put it on there and it's too soon. Sometimes I put it on there and it's too late. And I just get really frustrated. So I use hair glue because it will turn, it's gray, but when it dries black. So I want it to not be super black when I put it on. So I'm just gonna put it on here. I'm gonna speed through this. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, so it is kind of dry, kind of not. So I like to not put it on here when it's tacky, because once it's tacky, if you don't set it, it literally turns to rubber, and if it's rubber, it's gonna peel right off. So I set it when it's a little bit wet / tacky. So you want it to be gray and you want it to be a little bit of black. Also, you're gonna place it right here, right? If this is the inner eye, go ahead and tweeze it right here. And you're gonna go right in the crease. You're not going really on top of the lashes, you're going right in the crease, okay? And I'm gonna show you why I like to do it while it's still wet. So we're going right in the crease. I don't care what that inner eye or that outer piece of lash is doing. I'm getting it right in the crease. That's the part I'm worried about. Because it's still wet, I can just literally manipulate it. If it's tacky, you can't do that. So it's right in the crease, right? And the reason why I say do it wet, because with beginners, you get like this, you start getting glue everywhere. If it's wet, you can literally go like this and wipe that glue away. So now it's in that corner. Another thing that I like to do, because the corners of mine like to come up, I just pinch it with a tweezer. And so it's the lash and my own lash. I'm just pinching them together. I open my eye and I just pinch them together. And you can put on mascara to make your eyelash like stick with them. I don't tend to do that because the main reason why I wear lashes is so I don't have to wear mascara, because I think it's a pain in the butt to take off. This lash has dried a lot more because I was explaining, so let's see if it works. It may have dried too much. I can barely see. Oh Lord, I can barely see just because. To be honest with you guys, I can't see. See? Because it's wet, you see how it's all over there? Because it's wet, I can literally pinch it where I want it to go. And this one may not, it's not wet, it's not wet. You see how that just came off? You see how that just came off? Because it's super dry. It is super dry. And at that point you can't put it on. So I'm actually glad I got that on camera, because now you guys understand what I mean. Like, you have to wait for the perfect time, and it's easier to do that with hair glue because you can see the change in color. Pinch, pinch, pinch. If you're a person that likes to put on mascara, this is where you'll put on mascara. Sometimes I like to do eyeliner. I'm not gonna do that today because just not right now. And yeah, there it goes. So these are lashes. I got these lashes from TJ Maxx because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. It was like a pack of 5 for $6. So yeah, this is how you put on lashes. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks you guys. Peace out.